So I heard, guys, that baked sushi is famous in the Philippines. So I decided to make my own baked sushi with salmon and crab. Mm. Ang sarap niya. Mm. I'm going to the supermarket today. Um, I'm going to check if I will be able to find the things I need for our baked sushi. Everyone's fussing about it, so we're going to make it today, and let's go to the supermarket. So we have our camera woman here. No, I mean camera little girl here. Kamali ako, pipila. Nakapila kami. Pati yung isang bata nakasama sa pila. Supermarket. No, it's not. That's the arrow. Look. Let's find the salmon and crab stick. Crab stick. Salmon. And bell pepper. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. It's here. Let's go this. Oh, other way. Look, they have crispy seaweed things. I think I'll try the sweet soy sauce. Okay, I'll try this one. And the Korean barbecue. There you go. Oh, need this one as well. Let's see. This one. This one vinegar. Oh, look. Sesame oil.
Said we need to rice vinegar.
Sea salt, nori, and pink peppercorn seasoning. Try this one. Oh, we found it. It was here. Look. Finally found this one. So we will need this for our baked sushi. It's good we found all the ingredients for our baked sushi, and I'm so happy. I thought I would not be able to find it here. So bye for now, because I'm going to pay now. Bye for now.
Let's cook the rice and preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius.
To steam the salmon, and I'll put this sea salt, nori, and pink peppercorns. But this is optional, but if you cannot find this one, you can just steam it with salt and pepper.
We will steam the salmon for 10 to 15 minutes. When the sushi rice is ready, we will now transfer it into a bowl. For the sushi rice seasoning, we will just pour it over the rice after mixing. Transfer the rice to any baking dish or baking tray that you have. Make sure you're spreading the rice, pressing it lightly. For the crab toppings, I'll be using the 16 seafood sticks, and I'll be adding some cucumber, red bell pepper, cream cheese, and mayonnaise. We will just shred the crab and mix it all together. For the salmon toppings, we'll be adding spring onions, sesame oil, and mayonnaise. This is our salmon toppings and crab toppings. Before we put on the toppings, we have to sprinkle some furikake. I hope I pronounce it properly. It means a shaken rice seasoning in Japanese. We will be using the red and blue furikake for our salmon toppings. Let's add now our salmon mixture and make sure it is spread evenly. And lastly, we'll sprinkle again the blue packet furikake. For the crab toppings, we will sprinkle the blue packet of furikake. And then we will spread evenly our crab toppings. And lastly, we will sprinkle the blue packet of furikake. We will bake the sushi for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
That's our baked crab and baked salmon. This is the seaweed I found in our local supermarket. So I think this would be really yummy with our baked sushi. So let's try now. We are going to try the salmon. Look at that. Let me put it here. This is the salmon. Look at that. I'm speechless, guys. It's so yummy. So we're gonna try now the crab baked sushi. Look at that. Let's eat this. Let's try this one. Mmm. Mmm. It's really yummy as well. What I like with the crab is the crunchiness of the cucumber and the red bell pepper. It's really so yummy. So guys, if I were you, I will try this at home. When you have also visitors or for special occasions, this would be really good. The salmon and the crab, it's so yummy. You won't really regret this one. So try this at home.
Hope you like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.